Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are trying to stream the information I can find about cars for you. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Enjoy watching. Ford GT has been a legendary car, famed for its outrageous performance and sleek design. The 2005-2006 production versions of the Ford GT have become incredibly sought after. This has led to Ford commissioning production of more aluminum chassis for use as replacement parts and GT3 and GT1 racing. In 2007, a batch of these continuation chassis were released, retailing at $80,000 each. Now, 15 years later, with the cars no longer being raced in anger, Ford has reduced the prices and offered them as bulky inventory. Meanwhile, in suburban Detroit's Garage Condo, Track Club, M1 Concourse, some members of the community have come up with an idea to build a limited run of, barely, street-legal, track-focused hypercars, built on the continuation chassis that can be acquired from Ford Performance. The team have chosen the name GT1 for this project, emphasizing the minimalist approach. The GT1 is a unique and exclusive car, with only 30 being produced. This car is sure to be a highly sought-after and an exclusive piece of automotive history. With its outrageous performance and sleek design, it is surely a car to be desired. The Ford GT's 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine is a powerful and reliable option for vehicular performance. While it may have been deemed too heavy for hypercar duty, the Ford Performance catalog offers a range of Coyote-based V8s, designed for Mustang-style performance. However, these engines are too wide for the GT1, posing potential issues with plumbing, mass and weight distribution. In the end, the team chose the RY45 from Roush Yates Racing Designs. This aluminum block derivation of the Iron FR9 design is attractive due to its 427 cubic inch displacement, robust motorsports durability track record, compact packaging and race car mounting concept. This arrangement leaves plenty of room to tuck a pair of Garrett G 30900 CFM turbos right up tight to a compact set of equal-length exhaust headers, located just inches from the intake plenum-mounted intercooler. This intercooler has its own separate circuit with two front corner-mounted radiators plus one in the left rear side intake, and provides a lighter-weight alternative to the similarly powerful Coyote engine, weighing in at around 150 pounds less. The powertrain and electronics of motorsports-oriented vehicles have a high level of variability. The Roush Yates block is capable of delivering 950 horsepower at 15:1 compression and no forced induction, while the GT1 is set to run at 9:1 compression and 720 horsepower without turbos. However, when the engine is equipped with just 4 psi of boost, the power increases to 1,100 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 680 pound-feet at 4,000 revolutions per minute on 93-octane pump gas. What makes this setup so special is the flatness of the torque curve from 3,800 to 8,500 revolutions per minute, as this makes the vehicle more tractable and less susceptible to sudden wheel spin. To make this possible, the engine was fitted with custom-crafted camshafts. The 60 mm blow-off valves are also necessary to maintain the low boost pressure. Altogether, this setup creates a powerful, yet highly controllable vehicle. The Haltech engine control computer is a powerful tool for race car drivers looking to maximize their power output. It allows them to dial up the boost to 15 psi, increasing their horsepower by up to 100 to surpass the Unicorn's 1,400 HP. Additionally, the Del West titanium valves, CP Carrillo H-beam connecting rods, Gibtech pistons, Bryant Racing billet crankshaft, and Daily dry sump system enable an impressive 9,000 revolutions per minute redline. With the two Garrett turbos maxed out, the power output could potentially reach 1,800 horsepower. To ensure an optimal driving experience, the GT1 team has opted to use an electro-hydraulically shifted SL96 speed gearbox from SADEV. The gearing will limit the top speed to 222 miles per hour at 8,700 revolutions per minute, but the angle of attack of the rear wing, along with the front corner dive planes, will be adjustable for better aerodynamics. Due to its sheer weight, the GT1 will not be considered a drag racing champion. However, the 0 to 60 miles per hour time should still be around 2.7 seconds or less. The team is still looking for ways to shave off another 70 pounds from the car, which could further reduce the time. The Ford GT1 is a performance-focused design based on the Ford GT race cars. It has a lengthened wheelbase of 2.8 inches and features adjustable Multimatic DSSV shocks, Bosch Motorsports electro-hydraulic power steering, and all-steel AP racing brakes with a GT3 racing AB system. The vehicle is fitted with Forge-line aluminum wheels for maximum performance. However, carbon revolution units are also under consideration as an option to reduce weight. The bodywork is produced from aircraft-grade carbon fiber twill, which is typically found in the aerospace industry. This twill is too cool to cover with paint or wraps, so the team is offering tinted clear coat options to add color without hiding the twill. The Ford GT1 is designed for longevity and performance, providing an optimal balance of strength and speed for a single 24-hour race. The GT1 roll cages are designed for maximum safety and protection in case of a serious frontal crash. The cage is wider and longer for easier entry into the car, and it engages the firewall to prevent intrusion from the front suspension carrier castings. It can be painted a different color from the chassis, if desired. For further modifications, the chassis can be converted to bolt-on members above the engine, so a completely dressed engine can be installed from the top. Inside the car, the two racing buckets face a carbon fiber dash based on the production car's shape, but with analog gauges replaced by two 10.0-inch display screens. This is powered by an AIM power distribution management system that communicates with the car's CAN database. Audio systems can most likely be fitted as well. All of these features combined create a vehicle that is both safe and technologically advanced. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, then the GT1 from M1 Concours is the perfect car for you. With an initial price tag of $1.2 million and optional extras such as body, chassis, and roll cage colors, custom aluminum parts, onboard air jacks, and a fire suppression system, the GT1 stands out from the crowd. Plus, with parts sourced from the world's top motorsports clubs, you can be sure your car will perform as it should. However, you'll need to plan ahead as there is an 8 to 9 month wait for the gearboxes and even longer lead times for other components. So if you have the money and the patience, the GT1 from M1 Concours is the ultimate track day companion.